Hi everyone, Scott or the Scottman. We're here to do a very quick driving video today. We're going to be heading south and north on Interstate 375. So it's a very small freeway here in downtown Detroit. So that's where it branches off from I-375. And we're going along to the east of Ford Field, which is where the Detroit Lions play. So this is a very short freeway, as I was just saying. It's only maybe a mile and a half or so long, with all the exits primarily just for downtown Detroit, like this one for Lafayette and Macomb Street. And then this exit here for Jefferson Avenue going east. Of course, you can get off there to get over to some of the areas along the Riverwalk. And over here, at this curve, this is where the end of 375 is located. So this is going to be a very short video, but I wanted to film this because, believe it or not, Interstate 375 is not going to be around for much longer, because I think they finally finalized plans to where they're going to be getting rid of the freeway, because they're going to be replacing it with above grade boulevard, to allow people to basically easily walk across from downtown Detroit over to some of the eastern neighborhoods. So this is where it turns into Jefferson Avenue, and this is downtown Detroit. Of course, you got the Renaissance Center right in front of us. So what we're going to do now is we're going to head back to the north on 375, because that was the southern end of 375. But to make this video a little bit longer, now we're going to drive on the northbound lanes. So, of course, Jefferson Avenue continues east over to the right over there, where this is now the beginning of 375 going north. So, just saying, this is going to be only history after a certain point, where instead of this freeway here, this will eventually be raised up, and it'll be like a big boulevard. I think they're supposed to have stuff in the middle, maybe like parks or something like that. I'm not really sure. But it's going to basically bring back both sides together. And Interstate 375 here in Michigan will officially be history. And I think they start that in 2026, unless they postpone it for some reason. But I wanted to film this really quick, because I may not get another chance to at a certain point, because they'll eventually replace this freeway altogether. All right, so that was Interstate 375 southbound and northbound. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to click that like button. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that we don't miss out any future adventures. Well, thank you for watching. This is Scott, or the Scottman, signing out.